Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create these gorgeous chrome gradient nails. They are perfect for Halloween or even just fall in general. Keep on watching to see the process. So to start out, we're going to use Beetle's foundation. It's a base gel. Any base gel will work. Beetle's is a great brand though if you're looking for a good option. They're sold on Amazon. They're really inexpensive and it's really good quality. So I've applied the gel. I'm going to cure that for 90 seconds per the directions on the back of the bottle. It'll depend on your light, how long you need to cure it for. And I did speed this up so that you didn't have to sit here and watch the light go for a minute and a half every time I cure the gel. So next we're going to go in with black gel polish. This is also by Beetles. I've had to replace my smaller bottles that come in the kits of 27 colors or however many plus a base and a top gel and a matte top gel. I've had to replace those, so my base coat, my top coat, and the black gel polish are all in larger bottles, which they sell in smaller kits of 2 or 3 bottles in a kit. All the products I use in this video today will be linked down in the description box, so feel free to go down there if you miss any product descriptions. I'll try to call them out during the video. I do want to apologize for the quality of this video. I couldn't use my phone due to the size of the videos. I was running out of storage and then I couldn't transfer it because it was too big of a file. So instead I bought just a cheap camcorder, and I don't know if it's just because it's a cheap camcorder or if it's the settings and I need to figure out how to use them. But obviously it's just a little out of focus. So anyways, I am sorry for that. I hope it doesn't bother you too much. So you'll notice I go in with a cleanup brush, it's an angled eyeliner type brush, as well as some rubbing alcohol after, right before I cure the gel each time. This cleans up the cuticles and makes sure that I don't end up with gel polish stuck all around my nails, so it gives a much cleaner looking manicure. Despite the bad quality, if you like this video, please hit the little thumbs up to tell me that you like it. Just a little bit about me. This isn't my job. I'm not trained. I have no formal training. I'm not a nail technician. But I have been doing nails on myself for about 8 years. I do them on my sister occasionally as well. I'm definitely not a pro. You'll see that when I start doing nail art. You probably can tell now. But I just enjoy doing it. I thought, why not record it when I'm doing it. I'm doing it either way, right? I started when I was back in college with, the cheapest things I could get at Sally Beauty Supply to do gel nails. And I've recently discovered dip powder and nail stamping as well. So that's really, upped my nail game, if you will. From here, I'm just going to go in with some No Wipe top coat, also by Beetles. This is the glossy one, not the matte one. This top coat works for chrome, to put chrome on top of, as long as you don't cure it completely. So, if it calls for 90 seconds to cure it, you would cure it, 60 or just enough that it's still a little bit sticky, but not just coming off, They also sell products that are intended specifically to go under chrome powder. That would obviously be better, but I don't have that, so I found this trick a while back, and this is what I do instead. So I'll be releasing new videos. The plan is once per week. I'll be talking about dip powder, especially dip powder for people who suffer from the dip flu, which is an allergy to the dip liquids. I'll also be talking about gel polish, nail art in general, nail stamping. If any of that sounds interesting to you, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for notifications so that you're alerted when I upload new videos. Next week I'll be doing ocean nails. I'm going on vacation to Florida. We're going to be staying in a house near the beach, so I'll be doing my nails for that, and I'm going to attempt to do the ocean beach nails that you've probably seen on, on social media. So I'll try to put my own spin on it, I'm sure. I don't know that I could do it without putting my own spin on it, but I'm really hoping they turn out well. I'm super excited. One other thing that I'm planning to work on, I've bought these hands on Amazon from a company called Know You, and they are much cheaper than the alternatives out there, and so I'm going to be doing a video on how I use the nails. I apply false nails on these hands, and it's a little tricky because most things don't stick to silicone, and I don't really want to glue nails on and then rip them off every time. So I am going to create a video of how I've gotten around that. So if that sounds interesting, definitely keep a lookout, because I should have that video in the next week or two as well. So now I'm cleaning up, and then we'll cure one more time, and then we'll get into the actual chrome gradient powder. This is the fun part. So I'm going to turn the music up for you guys, and I'll come back in and let you know what's going on once we get to the chrome powder. Okay, so here's the fun part. We're going to go in with this Eye Gel Beauty. It is chrome powder in the shade Candy Aurora Chrome. It's AC-10 by Eye Gel Beauty. It's an orange chrome over black, at least. But it also has some, you can probably see on my nails, it kind of changes colors in different lighting. It kind of changes from orange to yellow to green. It reminds me, honestly, of kind of like a scarab beetle, just the colors. We're just going to take that and we're going to rub that into the nail, on the parts that we want to. I'm just kind of rubbing in a downward motion to create the gradient at the line where I'm wanting it to transition to the black. And then I'm kind of bringing it up on the sides just because I prefer that look. I do have this sped up quite a bit because it took quite a bit of time, and this video would have been extremely long had I left it at full length. And I have really sped it up now. So I'm gonna quit talking and let you guys watch the video. This one, actually, before I do that, I actually put the chrome way too high up, and I ended up having to clean it up. So you'll see me do that in just a minute. But I just took that same brush with alcohol and kind of just cleaned it up as much as I could. The chrome powder, once it's on, it likes to stay on, so it was a little tricky, but it did come off pretty well. You really can't tell looking at that nail after I got done. All right, so back to the music. You guys enjoy watching. with the results. I'm going to go in with a top coat. This is, again, the no wipe top coat. This time I'm going to fully cure it in the light once I apply it to the nails. So this is the final result. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, subscribe, click the bell for notifications. Let me know in the comments what you think of these nails, or if you have any other video ideas that you think that you'd like me to do, or if you have any questions, comments, concerns, just anything, let me know down in the comments. Thank you again, and I'll see you guys again next time.